Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a used 2012 Nissan Murano SL in the color blue. Under the hood you do get a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with a CVT transmission. This is an all-wheel drive SUV as well. You do get your block heater just there at the bottom, your chrome grille, and then you do ride on 17-inch tires. Starting off on the interior door panel, we do have our memory seat adjusters just there. We have our window controls, door locks, as well as our mirror adjusters. And then on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll see that we do have our heated steering wheel, our trunk release button, as well as our gas button, traction control. We also have our power door on and off. And then you do have your seat adjuster so you can pop back or forward. And then we're gonna pop in here. We're going to press our start to stop button. All right, so we do have our mileage just there on the right-hand side. You do get a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you do get your audio controls as well as your hands-free calling. And then on the right-hand side is where you'll see your cruise control settings. We're gonna go over to our entertainment screen. So right now we are just on the FM radio part. So we're gonna put it into reverse, and you do have your backup camera with the guidelines. You also do get Bluetooth, auxiliary, AM, and FM on this vehicle. You get your button controls right there. We have our press to start stop. Coming down, you do have your CD port. You have your audio controls there as well. And then we have our dual automatic climate control zone. And then a little further down, you have some storage space as well as our heated seats and then our all-wheel drive lock. And then we're gonna go over to our center console, and we do have our gear shifter and some storage space. Alrighty, now that we've made it to the back, we do have dual exhaust. You also do get your backup camera just under the Nissan symbol. You get the chrome lettering, SL Xtronic CVT transmission. And this also does have a power liftgate, so we're just gonna open that up. So we got that going. We have our seat adjusters on either side. You also do get storage. So we're just gonna push this guy, and then it lifts up and you get plenty of storage space down there. And if you're wanting to manually do it, you just have your trunk release right here, or if you wanna have the automatic, you just press the button and it closes. Thank you for watching today's video on the 2012 Nissan Murano SL. If you have any questions, feel free to come on in or give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.